If you're just starting photography, it might be tempting to go for a brand new camera with all the bells and whistles, but photography is less about the gear you use than what you do with it. The best camera for those new to photography is simply the one that'll get you out there shooting. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Nikon Z FC combines modern technology with classic aesthetics, making it an exceptional choice for beginners and photography enthusiasts alike. Featuring a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera captures stunning details and vibrant colors. The advanced 209-point hybrid autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focusing, while its impressive continuous shooting capability of 11 frames per second allows you to seize every moment without missing a beat. Designed to evoke the nostalgia of the iconic Nikon FM2, the ZFC's retro style is enhanced by its compact dimensions and thoughtfully placed controls. The 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen monitor, boasting 1040K dots, provides versatility for creative framing from various angles, empowering users to experiment with their shots. Additionally, the ZFC excels in videography, offering 4K recording at 30 frames per second. The intuitive, dedicated exposure dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation make manual adjustments simple, while the customizable lens control ring enhances the shooting experience. Although it lacks weather sealing and a deep grip, its design encourages careful handling. The OM system. Olympus EM10 Mark IV is a superb entry-level mirrorless camera, tailored for those stepping into photography or transitioning from smartphones. This compact device boasts a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, ensuring vibrant images with impressive detail. With a continuous shooting rate of up to 15 frames per second, it captures fast-paced action effortlessly. The 2360 K-dot electronic viewfinder provides clear framing, while the 3-inch tilting touchscreen featuring 1037 K dots enhances usability for various shooting angles. Equipped with a 121-point contrast detection autofocus system, the EM10 Mark IV excels in diverse lighting conditions, ensuring sharp focus in your shots. Its advanced photo mode allows beginners to explore techniques like long exposures without steep learning curves. The camera's in-body image stabilization, derived from the flagship EM1, minimizes blur from camera shake, yielding crisp images even in challenging environments. Although it lacks some advanced features like USB-C ports and an external microphone jack, its classic design and ergonomic grip make it user-friendly. With access to an extensive range of lenses, the OMD EM10 Mark IV stands out as a versatile and reliable companion, perfect for budding photographers seeking quality performance. The Fujifilm X-T30 stands out as the number 3 best camera for beginners, boasting a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. Its 26.1 megapixel BSI APS-C X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, paired with the X processor 4 quad-core CPU, ensures exceptional image quality and fast autofocus, making it ideal for capturing both stills and 4K video. The camera's precise autofocus tracking and face detection capabilities, enhanced for low light conditions down to -3 EV, allow for effortless focusing on moving subjects. For video enthusiasts, the X-T30 offers impressive features, including 4K recording at 30 frames per second and the ability to shoot 1080p at 120 frames per second for stunning slow-motion effects. Its HDMI output enables filmmakers to achieve superior color fidelity with 10-bit 4x2x2 recording. The intuitive design includes a 3.0-inch touch LCD with two-way tilting, making it easier to shoot from various angles. The advanced SR Auto mode provides automatic shooting settings from 58 presets, streamlining the photography process. Coupled with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the XT30 allows for seamless connectivity, enabling remote control and easy sharing of images with smart devices. The Canon EOS R10 emerges as an exceptional choice for beginner photographers, raising the standard for entry-level cameras. Featuring a robust APS-C sensor with a resolution of 24.2 megapixel, this mirrorless camera excels in capturing stunning images with vibrant detail. Its advanced autofocus system, boasting 651 focus points, offers intelligent tracking, making it easy for novices to achieve sharp shots, even in dynamic environments. The 2.95-inch articulated touchscreen provides intuitive navigation and flexibility for various shooting angles. While it lacks in-body image stabilization, its lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use, making it a breeze for beginners to explore their creativity. Video capabilities are equally noteworthy, supporting 4K recording at 60p, allowing users to create high-quality video content effortlessly. The camera's dual control dials simplify adjustments, enabling a seamless shooting experience. Although the R10 may not revolutionize the market, its combination of features and user-friendly design solidifies its status as the best beginner camera available today. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mark II is a standout choice for beginner photographers seeking professional quality in a compact package. It boasts an APS-C back-illuminated Exmor RCMOS sensor with approximately 26 megapixels, delivering images with exceptional detail and depth. This sensor is significantly larger than standard smartphone sensors, ensuring vibrant colors and stunning clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. Equipped with interchangeable lenses, the ZV-E10 Mark II opens up a world of creative possibilities. It is compatible with Sony's E-mount lenses, including the versatile EPZ 16-50mm f3.5 to 5.6 OSS2 zoom lens, making it easy to capture a variety of scenes from breathtaking landscapes to intimate portraits. The camera features a creative look function, providing 10 presets that can enhance your shots right in the camera, with options for adjusting background bokeh, brightness, and color tone via the intuitive touchscreen. Personalizing your style has never been simpler. Additionally, the ZV-E10 Mark II's real-time eye AF technology ensures precise tracking of subjects, whether they're human or animal. Coupled with the capability to capture up to 60 FPS in 4K and 120 FPS in Full HD, it makes seizing fleeting moments effortlessly, cementing its status as the best camera for beginners. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.